Good afternoon. Later on in the show, we're talking to Conor Pope, and once again, 50551.
Tigris Ray!
Oh! Tigris!
Tá muid ag Geansaí ar RTÉjr enough.
Nobody told me, but anyway, okay, you're in charge.
Is Misha Éabha, agus is Misha Caoimhe, agus is cúpla muid.
What do you want me to do?
I've got something. Get your Geansaí on.
I have my Geansaí on already, thank you very much.
I know. But these...
Oh, you've more Geansaís, right?
Oh, was she right? Yeah.
I am Ray, yeah. Tommy Ray. See, get it, Tommy Ray.
Kind of.
Tommy Ray.
Are you ready?
Oh, sorry, yes, I am ready too, yes, I am ready too, yeah. Okay, right, let's do it.
Caoimhe sibh chuir RTÉjr fád atá sin ar 5 seconds.
Canary lad.
Go!
Slow down. Cown. Not on. Cown. That's different on.
Air.
Okay, air is air.
On is on.
On is on, right, fair enough.
So, hain. Do. Tree. Stately. Car. Agus hata. Cuig. So, we should be...
No competition.
Shocked. Ucht. Ní. Agus we hat on sin. De. Hain. Do. Tree. Car. Cuig. Fine, why do you want studio son?
You like the look? No?
Yeah, that's okay.
Thought you okay, right.
You have a half day today.
Oh, yeah. Gurmagad, Caoimhe. Gurmagad Éabha.
Slán.
Slán yourself.
Tá a páistí a gceannas. Bhí an competition. Inis tá náit seo agan.